this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something interesting. This is from South Korea, from a company called Chilkap Farms. And this is Perilla Seeds Korean style pasta. And the Korean style pasta is known as sujebi. S-U-J-E-B-I. So how do you make this stuff? Well, here's what the pasta looks like. It's, at first glance, it kind of is reminiscent of the flat disc, like the sliced rice cake that you'll find in Korean groceries, but it's not that. But it does have a don't eat. And it does have a slight smell of alcohol. And a lot of the things that a rice cake have that. But you put this in. And then you put this in. This is the soup base. I know I've had stuff from this company before, and I swear I have had sujebi before, but it's definitely been a long time. And the last time I found this stuff was indeed when I went to the same place and got it. And I got it from a store called Buhan Market over in Edmonds, Washington, in their little international district. Let's stir this a little bit. Put this on top. 3 minutes. Yeah, they've got really neat stuff. If you live in the area and you can make it over there, I highly recommend checking out Buhan. There's H Mart, that's over in by Alderwood Mall. That place is rad too, but they don't have stuff like this. It still just blows my mind how different distributors have so many different things, and you can definitely, at least I can, as soon as I walk down a noodle aisle, be like, hey, who's their distributor? I've never seen any of this stuff before. And I go to, gosh, I'd say I go to Buhan at least once every 6 months, maybe once a year. And I find stuff like this, and it's really neat. Is it ramen noodles? No, it's not ramen noodles. But it's noodles. It's pasta. And it's South Korean, so it's fascinating. If that's too much for you, put down your device, turn off your computer, run for the hills. So what also this also has these things called Perilla seeds, and I know nothing about the Perilla seed, except it looks like there's some kind of like naturo homeo health thing about them. I looked them up on Amazon and found a whole bunch of them for sale, and they're kind of spendy. So this just looks like maybe it's just powdered. I don't know if you can see that. Powder. So there you go. And then what you do is, once this has had 3 minutes of doing what it's doing right now, you pour that in, stir it up, and you're good. So I'm fascinated. I figured it would be like little. What does it look like on here? There it is. They're showing it with a scant amount of vegetable and just poured on top. Like so. A lot of the time I notice that Korean varieties show things plated, like things kind of like bulldog. Or no, jajang. You'll just see like a bed of noodles with nothing on them, and then just like a big blob of black bean sauce in the middle. Of course, what you're going to do then is stir it up, but that makes it hard to plate, so I do it first. That's what I do. But yeah, in 5 seconds, we will get to give this a try. Okay, let's have a look-see. I'm going to give it a pre-stir. They kind of look like shells. Now, I do have garnish for this. I'm hoping that it will be complimentary. So it kind of has a milkiness look to it. It smells interesting. Korean pasta. Chewy. Quite chewy. Okay. Let's try it with the broth. Oh, that's different. Slight earthiness, creaminess. It's not bad. It's like kind of like an interesting pasta soup. See how that works. That works pretty good. So I got to do something with the rest of this chicken, and it's going in here. I apologize if this is like a completely illogical thing to do. For this dish, I don't know any better. I hear noises. It's like it's hissing like a beetle. I don't know why. Maybe that's not it. Oh, something somewhere is vibrating. I hear it, and it's just like a light vibration. Yeah, it's a chicken. A little veg. Spring onion. It's got perilla seed. Why don't we have some sesame seed as well? Yeah, I really don't know if this is like the way anybody in Korea would have this. I'm sure they wouldn't have chicken with Peruvian seasoning on it, but a little bit of chili flake, and I think that's as far as I'm gonna go with this one. So, yeah. Neat stuff. And if you can get there, go to that Buhan market. It's on 99 in Edmonds, across the street from the Edmonds, Washington 99 Ranch Market. Cool place. Sujebi. Interesting. This has been Awesome Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Now have a good one. Bye bye.